In this video, I'm going to show you how to get AccuWeather API key. So the first thing you want to do is go to developer.accuweather.com and then log in and create a new account. So as you can see, I've already done this, and then you're going to have to confirm or verify your email address, which is a very easy process. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to log in to the website. Now, once you're here, you click up here where it says API reference. And then, as you can see, there are multiple API references you can choose from. So from locations to forecasts, current conditions, alerts, and so on and so forth. So for this instance, I'm going to select Forecast API. And then, as you can see, there are multiple subcategories or those APIs. In this case, there's 1 day of daily forecast, 10 days, 15, 5, and so on and so forth. Also for hourly and for daily. And let's say I want 1 day of daily forecasts. And this as well says a description of what this is up here. So it returns daily forecast data for a specific location. Now, the way you get this is simply input your query parameters. So your API key, language, details, and metric. And once you've done that, you just simply click on this send this request button over here. And once that's done, you're going to get your API key. Now, mine is unauthorized because I haven't put anything in here right now. But when you're going to do this, it's going to work for you just fine. And then you can see also some error details down here and some response parameters in case you're interested in those as well. And yeah, this is how you get an AccuWeather API key.